If you're like me, you drive around your community and enjoy the splendor that surrounds us, but you also sometimes get a little curious, often wondering what goes on behind these huge manufacturing facilities. So this week, I knocked on the door and one actually let me inside.
In 1975, Tony Daniel and Randy Everton started as a partnership in the Black Creek area of Wilson County. It was building residential cabinets on a local basis just for Wilson. In 1980, had an opportunity to bid on some work for Lowe's Home Improvement. At the time, we thought it was just for the Rocky Mount store. And after we were awarded that store, we realized it was for 200 stores in their chain. So that set us off on a path of where we started producing commercial or retail fixtures. And by about 1983, we had made that our business model, strictly doing store fixtures and no residential cabinetry. So it's hard for me to quantify how our business has grown from residential to store fixture in volume. But today I would say we have 18 clients in the retail industry, and we ship those both international and domestic. And today, as a retail store fixture supplier, we provide products and services to the retail industry, and we do that on an international basis. And we're shipping product to 6 different countries throughout the world. We started in a 50 by 50 building and added onto it 14 different times prior to moving to this particular location. With the help of the Economic Development Council, Jennifer Lance and her team helped us locate to this building here, which was previously the Wrangler building. And that happened, transition for us was between 2006 and 2007. And the purpose of doing that was because of our growing business. We needed more square footage. Over there we had 200 and some odd thousand square feet. Here we have just a little under 400,000 square feet. So in this facility we have approximately 100 employees, and jobs range from product engineers to industrial engineers to accountants to project management, graphic design, CNC operators, traffic control, traffic management. So from the earlier years in our company to the present time, innovations have been both internal and in the product that we manufacture. So from a manufacturing standpoint, everything was pretty much typical table saws and hand routers and standard materials that would be selected. To today, everything is CNC computerized equipment, fiber optic link from engineering to the machines on the shop floor. Everybody on the shop floor that runs machine has some type of a computer background and knowledge of computers. To the integration that we build into the fixtures we supply today. Before, it was very basic, and today there's technology built in every product that we build, whether it's LED lighting that's timed for different operations, or if it's the computer systems within the checkouts, to where we're building checkouts and service counters today that are for non-human operations so that you can self-checkout.
Yeah, our product solutions started around just the basic box design, mechanical hinges, mechanical slides. But our customers these days are a little more forward thinking, where they're looking for integrated technologies, say like in a drawer system where the key card unlocks and locks the drawer, or a mailbox system that is related to e-commerce, where the customer receives a code once product's purchased, enters that code in at your local packaging store, and retrieves their product out of a secured locker system.
One of our newest products is our modern take on the phone booth. So we've noticed that there's a need for creating a private moment for people in open workspaces or open environments. So we're really creating a space for someone to step aside, make a phone call, or have a private moment. When you walk into these booths, it really handles everything from connectivity, airflow, and even the glass turns opaque when you step into it. So you really have that private moment when you step into the phone booth.
Our interaction with our customer all comes through what we call our project management team. And the level of service that they purchase from us is different or varies from customer to customer. You have large customers like Kohl's or Lowe's Home Improvement or Fossil that come in with a design because they have the horsepower design team within their company. And then you have smaller retailers that can't afford that service or don't have that team and need to buy that service, and they come in here, and we have designers that will go from conceptual design to engineering to build to install. So we can cover the gamut. We can even do construction management for them as well.
They have the great idea, we're the ones that need to implement it. So where do we start? We have engineers here in-house that work with our project managers as well as the sales team to really get what we need down for our customers. And then we're able to put these products in motion. So we've got a manufacturing facility here in Wilson. We love to see a completed store as much as our customers do, so we really can, give them the whole package from beginning to end.
So at 3C Store Fixtures, we strive to provide products and services that exceed our customers' expectations. Now, two specific ways that we go about doing this is through teamwork and continuous improvement. As we continue to retain and grow our customer base, we've been able to weave these two aspects into our company culture to set ourselves up for future success.
As we leave 3C, I marvel at the concept of this locally grown company that's internationally known, and just one example of the vast richness of the area businesses and industries that surround us. Now, I'd like to thank you for watching this edition of Hometown, and we hope to see you again real soon.